Hey my lovelies, or welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying hello. Tag video time. I was tagged by the lovely Tania of Bits and Bags to do the if I was a ... tag video. Stick around to watch my take on this one. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am doing the if I was a ... tag video by Tania. Thank you so much, Tania of Bits and Bags, for tagging me to do this video. Mwah. Thank you also to Tania. Congratulations on buying your house. Congratulations. So guys, my name is Naya. I love doing tag videos. I'm trying to catch up on them, and as I said, I was tagged by Tania to do this one. So let me do a little bit of housekeeping. I like to talk about luxury. I like to talk about shoes, handbags, makeup, you name it. I'm into it. So a little bit of everything. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, because how could you not be, then thank you. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Hit the subscribe button if you've been here before and didn't subscribe. And then of course, everybody hit the notification bell so you can know when I'm posting new videos. So let me get right into it. I have it on a piece of paper because, you know, I have short-term memory problems. So let's get into it. Let's see. So the tag is if I was a, and then you choose different categories, and then you talk about what those items are, and if you were one of those items, what would you be? And the categories are a bag, an SLG, shoes, perfume, makeup, and a wild card. I thought jewelry was one of the categories, but I see I'm lying. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. I hope I have the categories right. Okay, if I was, demon. All right. I've got all this stuff on a table next to me, so wait. If I was a bag, I would be a, okay, you guys are gonna notice a theme here. If I was a bag, I would be a classic bag. I would be something that's been around for a long time, something that has gravitas, something that everybody knows and feels comforted by that thing. But I would be that bag with a twist. Because I like to be classic, but with a slight twist. So if I was a bag, I would of course be a Louis Vuitton Speedy, because hello, if Miss Audrey Hepburn can run around with a Speedy and fabulous and classic and elegant as she is, then so can I. So I would be Louis Vuitton Speedy. It's just handheld, which I love. It's elegant, it's everything. But I would be a Speedy watercolor because even though it's a monogram print, it is white. It is this fabulous watercolor. I like to call myself an artist, and I like to paint, and my preferred method when I'm painting is watercolor. So this is something I always wanted to own because it's just so delicate. It looks delicate, but as we all know, a Speedy can take a beating. So I just feel like it's classic, it's elegant, it's light, it's airy, it's durable, it's long-lasting. A Speedy gets shit done. Excuse my French. A Speedy gets mud done. So yeah, if I was a bag, I would be the Louis Vuitton Aquarelle watercolor Speedy. All right, put that here. Next, if I was an SLG, so if I was an SLG, again, I would be a classic piece, the kind of piece that everybody wants in their collection, that you can find 100 million uses for, completely functional, and again, with a twist. I would be a mini pochette Tahitian print, La Tahitian print. And everybody loves a mini pochette. I mean, come on, you can't have one of these and not know what to do with it. I actually have quite a few of these, and I love doing things with them. But I loved this print, especially when it came out, because again, it just looks so delicate. I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors because I can't choose. But it's extremely functional. I have a lot of use for it. And it's just, again, looks so delicate and that it needs to be protected, because I'm a firm believer that Black women need to be protected. Yeah, and so Hey, there you go. That would be, that would be my SLG if I was an SLG. So next category, I'm actually gonna show two things because I'm bipolar like that. I'm not, but I am. Because the next category is the shoe, and I love a classic shoe again, but I also love a functional shoe again. I also love a super, super sexy shoe again. I also love a shoe that are basically, you know, go to bed shoes because you can't do anything but sit for dinner and then move to bedroom activities. If you know what those kinds of shoes are, then you know. I'm trying to be polite society. But so between the two, I don't have a shoe that kind of encompasses all of that. I don't have a shoe that is functional and sexy. You're either sexy or functional. I don't think I want to say something like that, but you know what I mean. So I decided to show you guys two pairs of shoes that I would be if I was a shoe. I would just go from one to the other. I would be functional like that. One, of course, is a stiletto. What is it? The higher the heel, the closer to God. Yeah, I think that's one of those Texas sayings. But definitely I would be a stiletto because, hey, I'm still rocking. I'm still under 45. My knees are still somewhat functioning. And I'm going to be in these puppies as long as I can. But yeah, let's be honest. These are dinner shoes and then back of a limo shoes and then sexy time shoes. But to be a bit more functional, daytime, you know, if I had to run an errand or something useful, like that, must be useful. But for those kind of moments, everybody loves a classic Chanel ballet flat, or I should say, I adore a classic ballet flat, Chanel ballet flat. So here you go, daytime nail. We all know what nighttime nail is when it comes to shoes then. All right, great. Where's the list? Where's the list? Moving on. Next is perfume. So I actually only own 3. I used to have many, many more, but we're just down to 3. So one of the ones that made the cut and did not get purged during the great perfume purge of I don't know when. But it's the Coco Noir by Chanel. Favorite, just love how moody and sexy and seductive it is. Don't ask me what the notes are. Don't ask me anything. I don't know how to explain all of that stuff. But I find it very seductive. I think it's a very sexy fragrance, but it's understated. You know, it's still got a little bit of that grandma vibe that Chanel perfume sometimes have, and so I kind of feel like it's elegant, it's understated, it's a little under the wire. Again, those are words I would use to describe myself. Whether you would agree with me or not, who knows, but that's how I would describe myself. So next one is makeup. If you could be makeup, what would you be? I would be luxury, baby. This is the La Mer foundation. I discovered this a few years ago. I think this is like the second bottle I've made my way through. I'm making my way through. It's gorgeous. It rocks. It's amazing. It's worth every bloody penny. But if you can get it on sale, get it on sale because, you know, respect your pockets, people. But yeah, this is the most, I don't know, it's like a serum foundation, and I feel like when I use it, excuse me, I feel like when I use it, I can definitely feel the benefits on my skin, and it's definitely luxury and top-notch all the way, and that would be, yeah, the way I'd go. So the last category is Wildcard. Actually, I'm gonna make this 2 categories because I thought there was a category that was jewelry, and I was going to, and I forgot to put them on, but I do have them here, which is my Chanel CC earrings, which again, same thing, classic, understated, beautiful, and just kind of, I mean, amazing, not too flashy, just enough where it's like, wait, what is she wearing? You know, like a conversation piece, that kind of thing. I like that, understated. The other one I was gonna say would of course be a bandeau, because hello, I'm a bandeau babe. You see that? Bandeau babe, not bandeau bandit. But I love my bandeaus, wear them all the time, use them all the time, just kind of give me life. And if I was to be Wildcard, if I was to be a bando, it would definitely be the original leopard print Steven Sprouse bando. Amazing piece, and just, I mean, if you don't have one, get one. That's if you're into bandos, because hey, we're not all. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I am going to put all this stuff back because I gotta head out the door and go to school. But yeah, thanks so much for thinking of me, Tanya. I'm so glad I did this. I'm gonna tag a few people and link them down below, and I'll let them know on Instagram that I've tagged them. And this is a fun one. I really enjoyed digging out some of these items so I could do this, and kind of thinking like, what pieces are me? Which pieces would I be were I these things? Yeah. That's it. So thanks, guys. Remember what I always say at the end of my videos: choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day, every minute, every second, every moment. You get to choose how you feel. Screw the rest. So make the right choice for you. Subscribe.